Hi everyone, and thanks for watching our video. So here we are in our anti-coronavirus bunker, sheltering in place, self-isolating, social distancing, and rationing our toilet paper and hand sanitizer. To keep busy, we decided to open and list this collection of Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars we took on trade for a motorcycle. Yeah, I made another crazy trade. 256 boxes at about 70 cars average per box, right around 18,000 Hot Wheels. Owner said he had about 15,000 to 17,000, but he wasn't really sure. He had collected these things for 30 plus years. All of them were purchased individually at stores, etc. And he hand inventoried all the boxes, including all the different sets and special editions, limited editions. Almost all of these are still new or new on card from the 2000s, 1990s, and 1980s, and even older. We will be videoing as we open boxes and listing all of them, selling every single one of them. If you watch our videos and have any ideas or special requests, please send us a message through our YouTube comments. Or if you want, you can go ahead and send an email, as we're going to be listing that on the video as well. We will try to fulfill requests before we list, so please subscribe and like to be notified as we post our opening box videos. Okay, so we're going to be trying to open several boxes per video, and we'll be hanging them on our display so they can be seen clearly, and then listing them within the next few days until our next box opening video. We're going to go through some of these items that are here on the pegboard. These are 4-car sets. It looks like they're 1997 series. There's the Dealer's Choice, Race Team Series 3, White Ice, Heat Fleet Series, Phantom Racer Series, Street Beast Series, Quicksilver Series, Blue Streak Series, Biff Bam Boom Series, Speed Spray Series, and Rock and Rod Series. There's also some miscellaneous 1991 regular mint on card, blue card Hot Wheels here. These were all taken out of just one box in this collection. These will be some of the first items that we're going to be listing, so if anything here interests you, watch our eBay store for these listings. eBay store is Kamikaze Deals and the number 1, and that stuff will be up for sale within the next day or so after this video is posted. For us, this was a once-in-a-lifetime deal. We hope you're excited as we are to go ahead and list and sell all of this. Once again, please feel free to comment with any ideas or suggestions on how we can sell or get rid of these cars. We're new to this, so all your suggestions are much appreciated. Please feel free once again to go ahead and make those suggestions on our YouTube channel, or feel free to email us. Our email address, which will be provided on screen, it is snaponhabit@gmail.com. Please like and subscribe so you can follow along as we post our box opening videos. And other than that, I think that's about all we have to say at this time. Thank you again for watching our video, and stay tuned for much more.